Sophie, you giving your cousin a hug?
Hug me.
Here she goes with her head.
Where are you going?
She wants to sit on her.
Look at this. That's too funny.
Get up. You can do it. Yay!
Good job, Soph.
Take it. Yeah. Look at her.
Are you taking the toy? Aw, that wasn't very nice. She's like, I'm gonna get it back. Nice defense, Soph.